Day 2 at Tiger Beach. It was a little bit of weather. We were going to have a shark feeding, but didn't quite happen because of the weather. But we still had a dive, which was actually had visibility about 35 feet, which was about half of yesterday. It was still pretty cool. There were a couple of tigers, tiger sharks. There were lemon sharks, a lot of lemon sharks, and some Caribbean reefs, and it was murky, so the tiger sharks were actually coming and sneaking on you, checking you out. Very many blessings.